Hello my dear students. So we can today discuss the possible 5-mark question from the chapter application of derivatives. Okay. So the question is little bit lengthy. You should read it carefully. That is, we have to here length of a rectangle is actually this arrow represent decreasing. Okay. So the length of the rectangle is decreasing. Here decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute with respect to minute means time. Okay. And its width y is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. When x is 10 centimeter, y is 6 centimeter, we have to find the rate of change of one perimeter, second area. So first we can find out about perimeter. Okay. That is perimeter is what? 2 into x plus y. Perimeter of a rectangle. 2 into its length plus breadth. Okay. X plus y. Here length and width is x and y. Then what all things are given? We have given the rate of change of what? Length. This dx with respect to time, it is decreasing, means you can put a negative sign for this 3 centimeter per minute. Then what about its width? Its width is y. With respect to time, it is increasing, means it is a positive value, that is 2 centimeter per minute. Now we have to differentiate this one, correct? Differentiating the perimeter. Rate of change means with respect to time. We are differentiating perimeter. 2 into differentiating, we will get dx by dt plus dy by dt. These two things we already know. These two things. Okay, so just to substitute 2 into dx by dt is what? Negative 3. It is plus 2. So this become minus 1 into 2. We have minus 2. That is the perimeter. Okay. Per minute. Minus 2 means it is decreasing, correct? It's negative sign. So next we have to find out similarly area also. Okay, then we can check. So next we are going to find out area. Area formula, just x into y, length into breadth. So we are going to differentiate with respect to time. That is rate of change of area we are going to find. This product rule, correct? X into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. Product rule. First function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. So here x is what? X is 10 centimeter. So 10 into dy by dt is what? 2. Plus y is given as 6 centimeter. Dx by dt we have negative 3. So what is the answer we have? We have here 20. Here negative sign we have 18. That is here we have 2 centimeter square per minute. Correct. This is the area. So it's clear, I think this type questions can be asked. Just we need to, this sign you need to keep in mind. Okay, that is on increasing it will be positive value, on decreasing it will be a negative value. Then what all rate of change we have to find out? Perimeter and area. We need to memorize the formula, what is perimeter and what is area of the given measurement. Here rectangle. So we have for perimeter 2 into x plus y. For area we have x into y, where x and y are length and breadth. Okay. Then just to differentiate and substitute the given values. Values will be given. Just check. Okay. So one more problem we can do. So the next question we have to read it very carefully. Okay. So here a ladder is given, which is 5 centimeter long ladder, which is leaning against a wall. So there will be a wall. We can denote it as y. And against the wall, a ladder is leaning. That is 5 meter long. Then there will be a base. We can put it as x. So now we got a triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. We can apply Pythagoras theorem. Correct. X square plus y square equal to 5 square. Then what all other things are given. The bottom of the ladder, that means this x, is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. That is, its rate is given. Its rate as dx by dt is 2 centimeter per second. Then how fast its height, we have to find out its height, that means y. Its rate of change we need to find. How fast is its height on the wall is decreasing. Decreasing means after finding we will get a negative value. Okay. When the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away, foot of the ladder means its base. Its x is given as 4 meter. 4 meter away from the wall. Okay. So these all values we have now. And we have what? The Pythagoras theorem. Correct. X square plus y square equal to 5 square. We have to differentiate this formula. Since it is a right angle triangle. So differentiating what you will get? 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt. And differentiating constant you will get 0. Now we can substitute the values. For x we know 4. Dx by dt is again 2. Y we have what? This y. So here y value we don't know. So we are going to find y value from here. X value we know 4 square. So 4 square plus y square we don't know. 5 square. That means 16 plus y square equal to 25. Then y square equal to 25 minus 16 we have 9. So y is what? 3. Y is 3. So now we can substitute all the values here except dy by dt. Okay. So in this formula again this 2 is common. Just take 2 outside and it will go that side 0. So we have what? X into dx by dt plus y into dy by dt equal to 0. So x is what? 4. Dx by dt is what? 2. That case. Okay. Then plus y. Y is what? We got it as 3, correct. 3 into dy by dt equal to 0. So this is 8. So 8 plus 3 into dy by dt equal to 0. We need this dy by dt, correct. So 3 into dy by dt equal to, this will go that side, minus 8. And what is dy by dt? This minus 8 by 3, which is a negative value, so it is decreasing, correct. So we got the height. Clear, I think. So read the question carefully. What all values are given. What is the shape you got? Here a right angle triangle. So we applied Pythagoras theorem and differentiate that theorem. Okay. And substitute the values. You will get height. Height is what? That y. So dy by dt is minus 8 by 3. So we completed the chapter applications and derivatives. So next class we can start with integration. So bye.